Welcome to Map Instinct. This is the channel where you think it and you map it. Today we'll be looking at how to create contour lines or extract contour lines from a raster image. We already have a raster image placed on our mapping environment, as you are seeing here. So this is a raster image of Plateau State, which is called out from Nigeria. So today we'll be looking at how to generate contour lines from this image, and this will be done in just few minutes without any stress. So ensure that you have your raster files already placed on the mapping environment, and then you now ensure that you have your ArcToolbox activated. As you can see here on the left side of the screen, the bottom left of the screen, my ArcToolbox is just beside my table of contents. So I'm going to click on it and then select the Spatial Analyst tools, which is the third to the last tool. So I'm going to select the Spatial Analyst tools. Once I've clicked on it, click on the plus sign. It expands the other options. So once it's been expanded, you now head over to surface. So click on surface and then scroll down till you see contour. Contour is actually the second option, so you just double click on it and then the dialog box shows up. So our input raster is going to be the SRTM file or SRTM image of Plateau State. So you select it and then your output feature class. This is where you are going to store the saved or the generated contours. So I'm going to locate my working folder. Make sure you've already created the working folder in your C drive before carrying out this operation. So I'm going to save it here. We're going to generate contour lines. So for this tutorial, we're going to be showing how to generate contour lines of different intervals. So we'll be starting with 50 meters interval, and then we'll now move on to 100 meters and then 150 meters. Alright, I'm going to label this contour 50, contour underscore 50. Click on save. So the contour interval, we're starting with 50. So we want the contour intervals to be 50 meters apart. So you type in 50 and then leave every other option the way it is, and then click on OK. Then you now allow it to run. Alright, we have it. The operation has been carried out successfully. You can see the green tick here at the bottom right. And if we check the screen, the map environment, you can see the contour lines here represented in green color, which shows that it was successful. You can see that it was just done within seconds. This is an easy way of generating your contour lines. So we have the contour lines. If you want to view the contour lines alone, you can uncheck the SRTM file of Plateau State. So these are your contour lines. 50 meters interval. 50 meters interval, yes. So these are your contour lines generated at 50 meters. So we're going to generate the contour lines at 100 meters interval. So we're going to go and carry out the same process. Your ArcToolbox, Spatial Analyst tools, and then surface, and then select contour. So you select your SRTM file. This time around we're going to call it contour 100 and save. The contour interval we're going to select, type in 100, say OK, and allow it to run. Successful. So you check your table of contents, uncheck the contour at 50 meters. So now we have the contour lines generated 100 meters apart. So I'm also going to do that for the 150 meter contour line interval. So you can carry out the same process input raster SRTM plateau, save it in your working folder. We're going to generate contour lines at 150 meters interval. Click on save. 150. Okay, and allow it to run. So we have our contour lines generated. These are our contour lines generated at different intervals. So to know which contour lines are represented, you can check and uncheck. So now we've unchecked the contour at 100 meters. So now we can now see the contour lines at 150 meters apart. So if you want to compare the contour lines at 100 and 150 meters, you have to check the two contour lines generated. So we now have the contour lines at 150 meters in brown, while the contour lines at 100 meters in blue, or is it purple? Blue. You can also add the contour lines at 50 meters. So you can see that we have the 50 meters, they are more compact. We have more steepy contours. Those are the steepy slopes compared to the higher contour intervals, which are more gentle. So the contour lines at 50 meters are in green. The contour lines at 100 meters are in blue. And then the contour lines at 150 meters in brown. So this is just an easy way for you to generate your contour lines. Very easy and safe. You don't need to carry out a manual digitization process of generating your contour lines. That is obsolete. This is what we call advancement in technology, and it helps to make your work faster and easy and more flexible. But make sure you have your external mouse, which will aid your flexibility and also help you to be more accurate. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We create topics or videos every week, so you stay tuned and make sure you do it as we said. See you another time.